you go back and you watch the other two 2021 videos, you'll also see Infinity took the emblem off. That's a nice screenshot for you guys. This is going to come standard. The kick plate's over there. For the sake of the video, I got that removed. Put 2 passengers right here. Put that flat. Maximize your cargo space. Tells you that is going to let you know. Lift up right here. You pull this out right here. It's going to allow you to release spare. Press that twice, it's going to go ahead and unlock your rear doors as well. Speaking of rear doors, Sirius XM trial period comes with your all new Infinity. So while you're experiencing ownership of your new Infinity, you also get to experience satellite radio. On both sides, you'll see there's a lightning cable right here. A lightning symbol right there. So what that normally indicates, and for ours it does, that's going to be a high-speed USB port. Since we all have these fast charging wireless devices. It's going to be high. It's going to be low on both sides for your second row outer seats there. If you push this and you plug in a jack and you push the seat in and out, to the left is going to turn your volume up. Oh, you see me, to the left is going to turn your volume down, to the right is going to turn your volume up. Sorry about that, guys. And then if you push power here, or you can put it on auto, that's going to control your rear climate. Go a little bit lower right here, folks. Now you got this access point to or plug something in here, plug something right there, and guess what? You got 2 things going on. So say you're a realtor, you could show my wife a property here, you could show me a property there. While we're driving, we could both have on our wireless headphones while you are, I don't know, say discussing business on your phone. Speaking of business, you could even have a, maybe so brochure stacks or something like that right there. See, while you're driving. Here's my business pitch for y'all. There you go.
When you listen on the Sirius XM app and online, you get even more. Hear over
All right.
100 extra channels of music.
So whether you pull this handle here, or if you look right here, pull that forward. maybe I have the wireless headphones on, and I'm back here, the third row. So that's going to push this seat forward. And have it to a lay flat position, or push it backwards. Put it in a reclining position. Vent right here, perfect. So, oh yeah, don't have to worry about no heat or no cold. Push this forward. When the door is open, it's gonna open here. To the rear of it, that switch right there is gonna be off. Pull it forward all the way, it's gonna be on. This is where you access your other seat belt. So you plug right into your other seat belt right there. You're good to go. Now you got your passengers all taken care of in the back seat. So let's go ahead and get out. Get out. We're gonna do this. Bang. This is on the corner of 4130 McHenry Avenue, Desert, California, right where Pallandale and Clarentina meet. If you push this down once, it actually has the flat position, or just a little bit of elbow grease. So let's go ahead and do the purpose of this video that I wanted to show you guys. My manager wants me to park this beautiful machine in our center point right there. So I'm gonna basically center it right between as an angle. I love showing off this surround view monitor. I can explain a little bit more about the vehicle while I'm doing that. Alright, last time I stopped the video, so perfect. Gosh, I hope you stay this time. Great.
The world just lost a rock innovator and guitar legend. So now is the time to pay tribute to that genius.
If you notice in the beginning of the video, I actually did a remote start. So for the past however long,
Every link with the Sirius XM Van Halen tribute channel.
dang. So anyhow, you can't see it, but down here, there's a USB drive and a USB drive that is your standard, and that's gonna put your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your Google Maps, your Waze, all that. Smart rear view mirror. So let's go ahead and do this. At low speeds, you can push camera and check that out. We're in a black vehicle, so no, it's not white, but check this out. You are gonna love this. So you see how there's that angle right there?
And your music stays with you wherever you hit the interstate or take the back roads. Call 844-711-8800 to activate your radio now.
Check out Kevin Hart's
Game changer. Game changer.
Hear the latest from Kevin Hart on his exclusive Sirius XM show. We're talking about putting in work, talking about your ladies and the expectations that they make. With Kevin Hart, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 2-hour episodes, man. To hear Kevin Hart's Laugh Out Loud Radio, activate your radio now. Call 844.
All right. Example of how to use the around view monitor. This is a lot of car, so thank you for making it to this point of this video. I mean, pressing camera. That's what turns that angle to the side angle there. Front angle there. Bang. There's your navigation. You're driving. You press that button there. Now those safety features you see on the Monroney sticker in the beginning are now active. You turn your cruise control on. Bam. See what I'm talking about? So say you want to turn those alerts on or off. This is how you would. Blindside warning will light up and give a alert if you want it to do not just visual and audio. It'll do visual, do audio, and visual if you prefer. Control your sunroof. If you push this forward right here, there's a regular old rear view mirror, okay? But say it's obstructed, or because it's tinted back there, you know, in the nighttime it's hard to see, or you, like I said, you just might have people all throughout there. Well, guess what? Bam, there you go, unobstructed view. Seriously. There's your rear view mirror. There's your rear view camera.
Get the SiriusXM
Rear view mirror
app
monitor.
and listen on your phone when you get out
Rear
of
view
the
camera
car.
display.
Anywhere you take your phone, you can take Howard Stern,
Put it in
NFL
park.
Radio,
There you go.
and commercial-free music channels from nearly.
The 2021 Infiniti QX80 Sensory.